Machines don't work anymore.
That's ridiculous.
Right?
One time we were Ocean Lakes, someone ordered 2 ice cream for 2 kids, and they gave us 4.
So they gave Cole and Evelyn the
Well,
one.
that was nice.
Yeah. So we got something nice.
And I'm pretty sure Susie went and bought the one because Cole and Evelyn had one and I didn't.
Yeah,
But also, there's a restaurant, the Royal Wing Cafe that we go to. And Cole and Evelyn always get an ice cream. And they just come with their meal. And every time Susie buys me the ice cream too. And I'm like, oh, good. She said, no, you need one.